Today we're looking at Winamp 5.57. The HP Compaq 6005 Pro is not the only computer that we're going to be using in this video, because we also are going to be using the Dell Vostro 230 later on in this video. In case any of you are wondering, I have got a few tastes of Winamp, but I've never fully used Winamp on a computer. But anyway, Winamp was a very popular music playing program from back in the day. There are still some people who use it. Back in the days of Windows 98 and XP, oh boy, this was a very popular program. It was just as popular as stuff like WinRAR and Firefox. It was like one of the essentials for Windows users. But anyway, now that I have given you a bit of a lecture about the history of the PC stuff, anyway, let's go start up Winamp. This is 5.57 from 2009. This is the Winamp user interface. So yeah, we've got a introduction audio clip that plays when you first start up the program. We're not going to play that because I don't know if it's content ID. Where the... Okay, no, we're going to go volume 62. Search. Where's add media to library. My music. Alright now, so we've got all of this stuff. In case you are wondering what I would like to play is some music from the YouTube audio library. Yes, this is Winamp. You can use the scroll wheel to increase volume. You can beat track. Track is playing. You get equalizer. Visualization. This probably requires DirectX. Yeah, I had to do that. Yeah, you have to do this. But yeah, that's Winamp. Let's turn off the visualization. Yeah, it sometimes glitches out. So yeah, that is the normal playing thingy for this. I'm pretty sure I have videos on here, but we are not going to play them. Let's open up Winamp again on this computer. Also, interestingly, on this version of Windows, which is Windows 7, it requires that you will enter in the user account control prompt to use Winamp. I also cannot see the well. You can see it's we've got the CD drive, as you can see. There's enough light for me to tell which one of these CDs contains all the audio tracks. So yeah, we had the... This is a CD containing a lot of music that I have used in my videos over time. Most of the tracks are from more recent videos. As you can see, it will read the disc. Also tell that spools up. We are not going to do that. We're going to put the intro song on. Once again, to do this, let's just put that on 100%. So yeah, Winamp, music player program for Windows. And I think that this would be like the greatest note to end the video off on. The song is played twice in this video, and I don't care. Because I think that's a cool song. Okay, I'm not gonna... Okay, you don't need to see me dancing in the background. Oh wait, you can't see me. You cannot see me because I'm... Anyway. Very funny note for me to end the video off on. And now, with that, we'll end the video off with this song playing. I'm gonna have to fade out the audio. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!